Hey, what's up? So it's time to harvest the Calamansi orange tree from all its fruits. There was about 70 fruits on this, but I ended up keeping 20 on there, so I harvested all 50 of them, and they're all on this plate. And here's the time-consuming moment of harvesting and juicing every single one of these fruits. So calamansis have very thin skin, and so the easiest way for me to do this was to actually just cut it with a knife in half and then just squeeze it. And I wanted to save all the seeds so I could try to propagate them and grow some more calamansis and try to sell them off later as a little side hustle. And so this took about 30 minutes of just cutting and squeezing. And those are all the calamansis and one last orange to go. And this is all the juice that came out of all 50 of them. So there is not much juice that comes out, but since they are calamansis, they are very, very concentrated, very sour. And so this is a really good kind of like lemon juice. You just kind of put this in some water to dilute it, and it is a great little snack or type of juice that you want to just have around. The issue is they spoil quickly. Putting them in juice form actually lets them stay a little bit longer, but what you want to do is quickly refrigerate them or use this within a week of harvesting. And so here's the first test. And yeah, it's very sour and it's slightly bitter. It's like a bitter orange. And so saving the rest for later. Thanks for watching.